What is the formula for slope? Slope of the line joining the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. PA is equal to PB, squaring on both sides will get the equation of a straight line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to c. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the temple of excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed regarding the problems based on locus of a point, particularly problems connecting to distance formulas. Now in this session, I will take a few more problems based on locus connecting to the remaining formulas like midpoint formulas, area of a triangle and slope formulas. Now let us come to the first problem. What is the first problem? Find the equation of the locus of a point which moves such that it is collinear with the points 2, 4 and 5, 9. So let us consider as usual, let Px, y be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. Let Px, y be any point on the locus given A is equal to 2, 4 and B is equal to 5, 9. See, A, P, B are collinear. A, P, B are collinear. These are collinear. Now, what is the condition? We can make use of the formula for slope. Now, what is the slope formula? Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Using this formula, we can simplify. Okay. Since A, P, B are collinear, therefore slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Slope of AP is equal to slope of AB, right? Now, what is the formula for slope? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of AP. What is A? A is nothing but 2, 4. What is B? What is P? X, y. What is B? 5, 9. Slope of AP, that is y minus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equal to slope of AB 9 minus 4 divided by 5 minus 2. That's it. Simplify, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, this is y minus 4 divided by x minus 2 as it is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. Cross multiply. 3 into y minus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. That is 3y minus 3 4s are 12 is equal to 5x minus 10. Just transfer this to the left hand side. 5x minus 10 minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation. That is a straight line. Okay. Hope you followed. Very simple concept. See, since APB are collinear, therefore slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. What is the formula for slope? Slope of the line joining the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Y minus 4 by x minus 2 is equal to 9 minus 4 divided by 5 minus 2. That is nothing but y minus 4 by x minus 2 is equal to 5 by 3. Cross multiplied. 3y minus 3 4s are 12 is equal to 5 into x is 5x minus 5 2s are 10. Transfer this right hand side. 5x minus 10 minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. Now that is the locus of the given point. Now move on to the next problem. Find the equation of locus of the point which moves such that it lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points minus 1, 5 and 2, 4. It lies on the perpendicular bisector. Now here this is, let as usual, let Px, y be any point on the line. This is A. What is A? Minus 1, 5. Another point B is equal to 2, 4. Let Px, y be any point on the locus. Let Px, y be any point on the locus. Px, y be any point on the locus. What is given? Given that A minus 1, 5 and B 2, 4 is the lies perpendicular bisector, is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the point. So this is a perpendicular bisector, right? Now perpendicular bisector means the distance from P to A is equal to P to B, that's all. Given that the distance PA is equal to PB, the distance from P to A is equal to P to B. Now use distance formula and simplify. Squaring on both sides, we can also write PA square is equal to PB square. Now using distance formula, we can simplify this. That is root of PA square is equal to PB square. Right. What is PA here? X minus of minus 1 is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to PB. X minus 2 whole square plus another point is 4, y minus 4 whole the square. Square root gets cancelled. Simplify this. A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 5s are 10 is equal to again a square plus b square minus 2 2s are 4x. Again a square plus b square minus 4 2s are 8y. Right. Now this can be written as x square plus y square plus 2x minus 5 2s are 10y. Constant 25 plus 1 is 26. And transfer this to the left hand side. Minus x square minus 4 plus 4x minus y square minus 16 plus 8y is equal to 0. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. So x square plus and minus x square plus y square minus y square gets cancelled. And what is left over is x terms. Plus 2x here plus 2x, 4x is 6x. X terms 6x. Next y terms minus 10y plus 8y is minus 2y. And constant 26 plus 26 minus 4 minus 16 is minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is 6x minus 2y. 26 minus 20 is plus 6 is equal to 0. You can stop here itself, or if you want you can divide by 2. If you divide by 2 you will get 3x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the line. That's it. So therefore the required equation is, what is the answer we got? 3x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. So very important problem for 5 marks. The perpendicular bisector of the line joining the point P A minus 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 4 is PA square is equal to PB square. PA is equal to PB, squaring on both sides will get the equation of a straight line. AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Right. Now move on to the next problem. Find the equation of the locus of all points equidistant from the point 4 comma 2 and the x-axis. Find the equation of the locus of all the points which is equidistant from the point 4 comma 2 and the x-axis. Right. Same as that of the previous problem. Let p x comma y be any point on the locus. Let p x comma y be any point on the locus. Let p x comma y be any point on the locus. So the distance from the x-axis. The distance from the x-axis is the distance from x-axis. Distance from x-axis is y. Similarly, distance from y-axis. Distance from y-axis is equal to x. Right. The distance from x-axis is y and the distance from y-axis is x. Okay. Now, what is the given condition? Distance from the point 4 comma 2 on the x-axis. The distance from the x-axis. Distance from x-axis is given the distance from x-axis PA is equal to y. So the distance from x-axis means PA is equal to y. Suppose if it is distance from y-axis means PA is equal to x. Now just use distance formula. What is the formula for this PA? So what is P? We have x comma y. What is A? Here P is x comma y. Consider this as x1 y1. And what is A? A is equal to 4 comma 2. This is nothing but x2 comma y2. Now using distance formula, x minus x1 whole square, x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to y. Now squaring on both sides. If you square this, squaring on both sides, square root gets cancelled. X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, square root gets cancelled, is equal to y square. Now let us simplify using a minus b whole square. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab, 4 2s are 8x. Again a square, y square plus b square, 2 square is 4, minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4y, minus y square is equal to 0. Minus y square plus y square gets cancelled. You will get x square minus 8x, x square minus 8x minus 4y, and the constant 16 plus 4, 20 is equal to 0. So hence the equation of the line is, therefore the required equation of the locus is, equation of locus is what is the equation we got? X square minus 8x minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. Right. So that means the equation of all the points equidistant from the point 4, 2 on the x-axis is other than y. So y square term is not there. X square minus 8x minus 4y plus 20 is the required answer. Let's move on to the next problem. Find the equation of the locus of all points equidistant from the point 2, 4 and the y-axis. First problem is x-axis, now it is y-axis. Same as usual solution. Let p x comma y be any point. Let p x comma y be any point on the line. Be any point on the locus. Let p x comma y be any point on the locus. Write down the distance. The distance from x-axis. The distance from x-axis is equal to y. The distance from x-axis y. Similarly, the distance from y-axis is equal to x. Distance from y-axis is x. What is given? Find the equation of locus of all the points equidistant from the point. So what is p here? P is x comma y, and the point A is equal to 2, 4. Given the distance from x-axis, given that the distance PA is equal to 2 to 4 to y-axis, the distance from y-axis is x. So given PA is equal to x. Squaring on both sides, what we will get? PA square is equal to x square. That's it. Simplify, I'll get the answer. Okay. Just find out distance formula. So using distance formula, square root of x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to x square. Now square root gets cancelled. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4x. Again a square plus b square minus 4 2s are 8y minus x square is equal to 0. Now here x square and x square gets cancelled. Right. So put it in order. Y square minus 4x minus 8y. Again 16 plus 4 is 20 is equal to 0. See the previous problem and this problem. In previous problem x square is missing. In this problem y square is missing. So the required equation of the locus is y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 20 is equal to 0. Hope you followed, right? Now let's move on to the next problem. Now find the equation of the locus of the point p x comma y such that its distance from 1 comma minus 2 is greater than 3. The distance is greater than 3. Okay. Now as usual, write down let p x comma y be any point on the locus. Be any point on the locus. Let p x comma y be any point on the locus. What is given? Let us take this is p x comma y and another point a. What is a? A is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Now what is given? Given that the distance from p to a is greater than 3. Distance is greater than 3. Now just this distance, just write down the distance. What is the distance formula? X minus x1, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus into minus plus y plus 2 whole square is greater than 3. Right. Now squaring on both sides, as usual, squaring on both sides. what happens? Square root gets cancelled. X minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is greater than 3 square. 3 square is 9. Simplify this. A square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 into 1 into x is 2x. Again a plus b whole square. A square plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 2 is 4y is greater than 9 here. This is greater than 9. That's it. So put it in order. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y and 1 plus 4 is 5, which is greater than 9. Okay. So this can also be written as x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 5. Bring this to the inside. This can be written as 5 minus 9 is greater than 0. So we can write the required equation as x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is greater than 0 is the required equation of the locus. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. So hence the required equation of the locus of the point is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is greater than 0. Now move on to the next problem. Find the equation of the locus of a point twice as far as from minus a comma 0 as from a comma 0. So here find the equation of the locus of the point which moves such that twice as far from minus a 0 as from a comma 0. Right. Same as usual. Let us consider let px comma y be any point on the locus. Be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. Now, here, what is given? The distance from minus a, this is px comma y. What is a? A is minus a comma 0. Another point b, b is equal to a comma 0. What is given here? This is the point twice. The distance from p to a is equal to 2 times pb. This is given condition. That's it. The distance from P to A is 2 times the distance from PB. That's it. Now, PA is equal to 2 times PB. Squaring on both sides, what we will get? PA whole square is equal to 4 times PB whole square. Now, using distance formula, this is root of PA, x minus into minus plus, x plus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to root of, this is 4 as it is, x minus of a whole square plus y minus of 0 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. What we have? X plus a whole square plus y minus 0 square is y square is equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is y square, along with this 4. That's it. Along with 4. Simplify. A square plus b square plus 2ab, 2ax plus y square is equal to 4 into a square plus b square minus 2ax plus y square. Now transfer this. So just keep this as it is, 2ax plus y square multiplied by 4, 4x square plus 4a square minus 4 2s are 8ax plus 4y square. Transfer this to the left hand side. What we will get? 4x square plus 4a square minus 8ax plus 4y square. Right. 4x square plus 4a square minus 8x plus 4y square, and this becomes minus x square minus a square minus 2ax then minus y square is equal to 0. Cancel that terms. 4x square minus 1x square is 3x square. 4a square minus a square is plus 3a square, and x terms minus 8ax minus 2ax is minus 10ax, and the y terms, how many y terms are there? Y terms are not there. So 4x square minus x square is 3x square. 4a square minus a square is 3a square minus 8ax minus 2ax is how much you will get? Minus 10ax. And what is the last one is plus 4y square minus y square is plus 3y square is equal to 0. Now put it in order. So therefore this can be written as the required equation of the line is 3x square plus 3y square minus 10ax then plus 3a square is equal to 0. is the required equation of the line. Very simple. See here, just what is the condition given? The distance from PA is equal to 2 times the distance, twice the distance means 2 times the distance from PB. PA square is equal to 4 PB square. Just using distance formula, you will get x plus a whole square plus y square is equal to 4 times x minus a whole square plus y square. Just apply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Transfer all the left hand terms to the right hand side. We will get 4x square plus 4a square minus 8ax plus 4y square minus x square minus a square minus 2x minus y square. So here 4x square minus 1x square is 3x square. 4a square minus a square is 3a square. Again minus 8a minus 2ax is minus 10ax. 4y square minus y square is 3y square. Now put it in order. 3x square plus 3y square minus 10ax plus 3a square is equal to 0 is the required equation of the locus of the given point. Right. Hope you followed. Very important for 4 marks. Now move on to the next problem. Now let us take a problem, one more problem, very important problem. Find the equation of the locus. Find the equation of the locus, equation of the locus of a point, locus of a point. Find the equation of the locus of a point where a is equal to, what is a here? A is equal to 5 comma 0 and b is equal to minus 5 comma 0 such that PA square is equal to 3 times PB square. This is very important problem. So find the equation of the locus of a point where a is equal to 5 comma 0 and b is equal to 5 comma minus 5 comma 0 such that PA square is equal to PB square. Very simple concept. What is given here? Let Px comma y be any point on the locus. Let Px comma y be any point on the locus. Right. Now what is given? Given that here a is equal to 5 comma 0 and b is equal to minus 5 comma 0. Given condition, what is given? Straight away they have given PA square is equal to 3 times PB square. Now write down PA. What is PA? The distance from P to A, that is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 3 times PB. So PB square, that is x minus into minus plus x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole the square. Now here square root gets cancelled, square root gets cancelled. So we will have a square plus b square minus 2ab, 5 2s are 10x plus y square is equal to 3 as it is. Again a square plus b square plus 2ab 10x plus y square. Now this is as it is, x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square is equal to multiply by 3. So we will get 3x square. 25 into 3 is 75 plus 10 3s are 30x plus 3y square. Now transfer all the terms to the left hand side, you will get the answer. That's it. So what we are going to get here is, so just I'll write here, transfer this 3x square plus 75 plus 30x plus 3y square minus x square minus 25, then minus into minus plus 10x, then minus y square is equal to 0. Now 3x square minus x square, 3x square minus x square is 2x square, it is 2x square. See, 3x square minus x square is 2x square, otherwise I'll write here. So 3x square minus x square is 2x square, Again y terms, 3y square minus y square is plus 2y square, So x square, y square, x square, y square gone. Constant terms, x terms, 30x plus 10x is 40x plus 40x, and no y terms are there, only constant. 75 minus 25, 75 minus 25 is plus 50 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 2y square plus 40x plus 50 is equal to 0. So if you want, you can divide by 2. If you divide by 2, what you will get? X square plus y square plus 20x plus 25 is equal to 0. So therefore, the required equation of the locus is, therefore, what is the answer we will get? X square plus y square plus 20x plus 25 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the locus, given that PA square is equal to 3 times PB square. Hope you followed. Okay. So this is the equation of the locus of the given point. Hope you followed. Right. Hope you followed all the problems. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.